Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view reports for an assessment that was created in new quizzes. First, we're going to start by clicking quizzes in the course navigation, and then you're going to choose one of your quizzes where you want to view the reports. So I'm going to choose this quiz here, and with new quizzes you're going to scroll down to the bottom right hand corner and click build. Once you get to this page, looking at the menu going across the top, we want to select Reports. And now you have a choice between the quiz and item analysis or the outcomes analysis. And we'll start with the quiz and item analysis. All right, what this report will show you here, for each one of your quizzes, it'll show you the high score, low score, the mean, the standard deviation, the elapsed time, and it will give you this graph for everyone who has taken the quiz. So this is for the computer science vocabulary quiz that I have just clicked. Scrolling down a little bit further, you'll see the item analysis. And the item analysis is where you can view statistics for each specific question. All right, so here are all of my questions. And then to see even more data, you can click the drop-down menu for each item, and that gives you, that goes into very specific statistics here. All right, I'm going to click this link to go back to the reports page, and this time I'm going to choose Outcomes Analysis, and I'm going to just jump over to a presentation because for this video in my sandbox I do not have any outcomes aligned here, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. This report, this will include each student who has completed the assessment and what their results are for each of the outcomes that have been aligned to this quiz. So here you can see there are two students we're looking at. There are two outcomes aligned, and it shows their mastery on each question. And then going further, you can click each specific outcome, and that takes you to a detail report that looks like this, that gives you even more detailed specifics on that particular outcome that has been aligned to this question.